Can we share Udemy certificate to LinkedIn? So if you want to share Udemy certificate to LinkedIn, then first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to open up your browser. Once you open up your browser, you need to search for LinkedIn. After searching, you can go with login or sign up. And once you're here, you need to go with profile, which is on the top right. So you need to just click on me. And from the me, you can go with view profile. Under view profile, you can go with add profile section. And here you will have your courses, your skills. If you want to add your certificates, you can go with your skills or add education, or you can also go with additional section. Under additional, you will have your publications, your test scores. You can also scroll down and here you will have your experience. If you have any experience, you can add that, or you can go with the education or skills. So just simply go with add profile section, and here you can go with licenses or skills or certifications or education. You will have the option. You can just simply go with get started and you'll be able to add those. So that's how you can add certifications to your LinkedIn. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.